Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the Economic Times Global Business Summit in New Delhi today. The theme of the two-day summit is Resilience, Influence and Dominance. In Tripura, 87.63% of polling has been reported as per recent data released by the CEO's office. Polling for all the 60 assembly seats was held yesterday. In Meghalaya, star campaigners and senior leaders of political parties are not leaving any stone unturned to garner the support of the electorates. Senior BJP leader and Union Home Minister Amit Shah addressed a public meeting in Garo Badha in West Garo Hills. Delegates from different foreign countries arrived this afternoon in Imphal for B20 session, which is official G20 dialogue forum for the global business community. The curtains will fall on the 5-day Aero India show in Bengaluru today. The mega show saw participation from over 98 countries.